this video, we're going to take a look at some of the features in the new and easier to use PlantPlaces.com mobile version 9. The focus here is on ease of use, reducing the number of clicks that you have to take to do anything, reducing the screen count. One example of that is you see there's no longer a main menu screen. It goes directly to the plant search by color screen, which is the screen that most people want to see most of the time. It takes you right in here. You can still access the other screens. GPS to plant is at the top, and then the other screens like settings are off in the menu on the side here. But it opens directly to the search by color screen. You can either take a new photo, and I'm running on an emulator, so I don't have a webcam turned on for the simulator. So you can also open an existing image, which is what we're going to click. This is going to take you to the image gallery on your phone, and what it does is it looks at this image and it looks for colors that you would likely see in a plant. So it is going to ignore the sky blue color and it's going to focus on the flower. This is a redbud, Acerus canadensis. It's going to focus in on that flower color and it's going to give us colors that it sees in that flower. So for instance, I can click on this mauve color here and it's going to show me plants that have that mauve color. First it shows me the results, and then while I'm looking at the results it's going to download the images, and we see here that Saucer magnolia is an example of a plant that has a similar color flower to the redbud. And sure enough, if we look down on that list of results, we would likely see the redbud as well. So it's a good way to match colors. If you see a flower you don't know what it is, you can take a picture of the flower and do a search by color and see if you can identify it from PlantPlaces.com. So here is the flower that it matched to. See kind of a mauve color on that flower. There's a slightly larger version down here. And there we go. Now, I did mention that the algorithm that it uses to look for colors is going to prioritize colors that you would frequently see in flowers. Things like pink, red, yellow, even purples, things like that. And it's going to de-emphasize colors that you don't typically see in flowers, like sky blue and leafy green, because usually when you're taking a picture of a flower, oftentimes the background is that leafy green or sky blue color. If you want to give all colors equal weighting, you certainly can do that. And the way to do that is to go back to the settings, and we can unclick an option that filters the colors. By unselecting that option, it's going to weight all colors equally. So to go to settings, I click on the menu up at the top. I choose settings, and then I unselect filter colors. I unselect, in other words, uncheck this checkbox filter colors. What I want to do now is I want to go back and I want to search on that same photo, and I want to see what the difference is if we give all colors equal weighting. So I'm going to choose the very same image, also from my image gallery. And what you'll see this time is that the blue sky color is going to predominate. You see, while it looks like that's all one shade of blue, actually all of these shades are slightly different. The algorithm is not duplicating colors, it's looking for colors that are unique and that are different. And in the case of this image, which is a bit grainy because I've resized it, you see that the predominant color is blue. So the filter has a very significant effect on focusing on the colors of the plant that you want to use. So either take a new photo or open an existing image, and that will give you a list of plant results. You can click on that plant result. It will take you to PlantPlaces.com, and in many cases it will tell you who sells that plant. So that's it for this video. In future videos, we're going to talk about some other features of PlantPlaces.com mobile version 9, which includes a map of plants near you, the ability for you to GPS your own plants, search for plants, and also add plants for sale if you're in the nursery business yourself. So stay tuned and take a look out for those other videos. Thank you.